Today we'll talk about how can you figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Whoscall app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this, and all you have to do now, you just click here on ID security here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You come here to enter email to check for data leak. Just click on it, and here you enter your email here. Then here it's going to show for you your personal information here in this list when you enter your email address. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. Thank you for your watching.